What's up, fellas? How you guys doing? It's been what, a month, maybe 3 weeks since I made the last video. I'm feeling pretty good about myself. I'm finished high school, so that's good for me. Well, actually, I want to talk about advice for high school. There's so many things in high school that I wish I knew, but I just didn't. If I knew it, it would have helped me a lot throughout the 4 years of high school, even if one of them was online. The first thing I guess I would do differently in high school would be socialize more. It's easy to like just sit by yourself, whatever. But it's better to be cool with everybody, you know what I mean? Like, obviously, if you're not cool with something, don't act cool with it. But like, just be like everyone's friend if you can, or just try to like know everyone at least. Like, you get a lot of opportunities like that, in my opinion. You know, you'll learn about different clubs. You know, meet different people, get invited to different things that you're not really like. It's not really your niche per se, but it's still cool to like learn about it and like experience things that you were not expecting to experience. I guess what I'm trying to say. Another thing is just stop chasing. Please stop chasing. Chasing is never it. Like, honestly, that might be the most number one thing, is just stop worrying about relationships or chasing or anything like that. Like, if you just stop worrying about relationships, just focus on yourself, you know, having fun, being with friends, whatever, then you're gonna be fine. You know, you're not gonna die without a relationship in high school. I mean, you might feel upset about it sometimes, you know, I'm so lonely, whatever, but you'll get over it. Literally, like, especially like the first half of high school, for me, that was always constantly in my brain. And if it wasn't like in the foreground, it was definitely in the background. I was just thinking about, oh, this girl, she's so nice, or like, oh, this girl likes me, does she like me, does she not, stuff like that. And like, just like different things like that. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, you know, some relationships could be beautiful, they could be good, but in my opinion, in high school especially, if you just don't worry about relationships, you're gonna have a much better time. You know, you shouldn't be actively seeking out a relationship, in my opinion, because if you worry too much, just don't chase, don't do relationships like that you don't want to do. Do not like go in a relationship with someone just because you want to be in a relationship. Like genuinely, like actually like enjoy having them around. Don't like be in a relationship just because you want to be in a relationship and like it's the cool thing to do, you know, it's fun, you know, it's supposed to be fun anyways. If you don't like genuinely know them or like genuinely like enjoy being around them, then honestly, is the relationship even worth it? You might be better off alone, in my opinion. That's just my personal experience. Another thing in high school is definitely like just take your grades more serious, because you know they can make or break your college stuff if you're going to college. If you're not, you know, it's normal. But if you get good grades, there's a lot more opportunities for sure. Scholarships, you know, different colleges, stuff like that. A lot of the perks of good grades happen after high school. That's what I noticed. There's probably some things that you could like do in high school because you're good grades, but I guess I just wasn't invited. And I'm a decent student. I'm a 3.026 something, a cumulative student. It's better than I thought I was gonna do. Now I'm happy. I'm very satisfied with that. I could live with that, you know, like it's above my expectations. I'm happy about that. I got some good ass grades, I can't lie, especially this last year. But yeah, it's good grades. Honestly, just enjoy your time as a student. You got basically no responsibilities. I mean, okay, hold on. Let me backtrack there. Some of you guys might have responsibilities. Some of you guys have jobs. Some of you guys have brothers and sisters to feed. Some of you guys don't have parents. Some of you guys are taking care of your parents. Stuff like that. I feel like as a high schooler, at least for me, maybe, and I'm just blessed maybe. As a high schooler, as a young man, I feel like there's less responsibilities than there's gonna be as an adult. And I wouldn't know because I'm not an adult yet or whatever. I'm not an adult, but I am kind of. I mean, I look the part, you know. Just enjoy the moment. Like if you're not enjoying yourself, everything's gonna start feeling the same. Everything's gonna go by faster, in my opinion. Like if it's day to day and you're kind of miserable, the day feels long, but like the span of like a month goes by so fast. Like you won't even realize it. Like there's so much shit I wish I could like I regret doing, like that was causing me not to enjoy myself. That's how you learn, you know. You learn through mistakes. You learn through like dumb shit, I guess. I'm gonna call it dumb shit. You learn through dumb shit. Dumb shit happens and you learn through it. You don't need nobody, that's for sure. Anybody. You don't need anyone. You don't need a friend. You don't need a girlfriend or boyfriend or whatever you're into. You don't need nobody. If you have your family, that's beautiful. Make sure you keep them close to you. You might need them. I think you do need them. But anyone else like that you don't consider family or close or whatever, you don't need them. Wallah. You can do so many things that you never knew you could do without people. Like, honestly, you can do so much if you just put your mind to it. You don't need anybody. You don't need nobody, man. Wallah, you don't need nobody. All you need is this, and you need the heart, the fire, you know what I mean? When you have those, they're your tools. They'll help you. Really, all you need is the determination, the heart, and the mind, everything. And you'll get far. I think you'll get far. So I think I'm gonna end it off here because I just don't know what else to talk about. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. You know, something a little different. But yeah, please like, subscribe, share. If you like the talking videos where I actually give like a heart to heart, then please, you know, even though it was short, it was sweet, wasn't it? Alright guys, thanks.